How to make a copy of a note on Google Keep Notes, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing we do, guys, go to Keep Notes. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is choose the notes that you want to copy, click on it like this one for example, and then go down here and click on those three dots. As you can see now, right here you will find make a copy. Right here, click on it, and we just made a copy of our note, as you can see right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.